This was the 252nd spacewalk in support of space station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades. This was the 7th spacewalk out of the International Space Station this year and the 4th during Expedition 67. Oleg Artemyev now has accrued 7 spacewalks in his career for a total of 45 hours, 45 minutes, while Denis Matveev has 3 spacewalks in his resume, totaling 18 hours, 20 minutes. The 252 spacewalks in support of station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades now have totaled 1,594 hours and 50 minutes, which equates to 70 days, 9 hours, and 50 minutes of spacewalking time. And the 4 spacewalks during this increment, the Expedition 67 increment, have totaled 25 hours and 25 minutes for the spacewalkers.